Welcome! We are Lisanne Snijders,
Mark Naguib
and James Savage,
and we will be your instructors for this course. Over 5 modules, our goal is to equip you with the skills you need to implement conservation actions that consider animal behavior. There will be knowledge clips to introduce key concepts, written case studies of recent conservation actions, and interviews with experts.
You will find exercises and discussions throughout the course, and the main assignment will take you through how to implement behavioral actions step by step in conservation planning. The course has 5 modules. The first introduces key topics, the last synthesizes, and the middle 3 relate to key conservation themes: rapid environmental change, human-wildlife conflict, and translocations.
Our first module will introduce you to the field of conservation behaviour, the application of animal behaviour to conservation. You'll learn about the diversity of threats facing animals and key animal behaviour concepts. We'll also introduce a conceptual framework for conservation behaviour that will return throughout the course, and you'll practice how to search for relevant species-specific information.
Our first theme will be human-induced rapid environmental change, or HIREC. We will introduce the various behavioral responses to environmental change and the mechanisms underlying them, and explain the IUCN conservation planning cycle and how the course assignments relate to it. You will then begin your species conservation plan assignment by identifying the key stakeholders.
Turning to human-wildlife conflict, we will focus on behaviors that explain why some species are more likely to conflict with humans than others, and show examples of how we can modify animal behavior to reduce these conflicts for the benefits of both animals and people. Your assignment will continue by identifying a measurable conservation objective and planning a behavior-based action that could reach the objective.
Our third theme will be reintroductions and translocations. We will explore how to prepare animals to settle in a new location and ensure that they respond appropriately to new threats. You'll continue with your conservation assignment by evaluating your planned behaviour-based action and reflecting on its feasibility.
In the final module, we will wrap up the course by discussing overarching themes such as how behavioral diversity within and across species generates further insights for wildlife conservation.
You will finish your conservation action plan by determining how you will monitor progress and quantify the success of your approach. We will also provide resources for future study beyond this course.
We have lots to cover, and are glad you can join us for this journey into animal behaviour and conservation.